मरम्मत हो ना कोई वारंटियां हमारी एंट्रियां दिल में बजी घंटियां Science quantita plus cos quantita is equal to 1 beta. Then cos quantita minus science quantita equals to cos 2 theta. 1 plus 1 equals to 11 नहीं होता बेटा. बाकी subjects में हम कुल बस maths में मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का तू वाला दिन मैं तेरा दिन मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन मैं किसी से कम नहीं तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा यही तूने बताया नाच मेरी जा ओके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु नाच मेरी जा ओके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु मार चलांगे झूले गगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु नाच मेरी जा ओके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु
Principal, Sister Rosanna, all the sisters present here, our beloved teachers and all the staff members. Today, we are just gathered to celebrate a day, but we are gathered to honor a legacy of a timeless bond between students and teachers. Such a legacy deserves to be called nothing less than heroic. I remember one phrase, not all heroes wear a cape, but some carry a chalk and a beautiful smile. Just like these heroes, we remember about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India, who was also a great teacher. Once, when some students wished to celebrate his birthday, he guided them that instead of celebrating his birthday, we should celebrate Teachers' Day. Hence, from then onwards, 5th of September became a day to honor the countless sacrifices and unimaginable dedications of our beloved teachers, the true heroes of our lives. Behind every doctor, engineer, artist or anyone, there stands a teacher who once said, "You can." And with those simple yet powerful words, our lives change forever. Dear teachers, your impact goes far beyond textbooks. It lives in the way we think, the way we speak, and the way we dream. From shaky handwriting and alphabets to complex equations, you were there, patient, present, and persistent. Even when you were distracted or full of doubts, you showed up every single day with strength in your words and belief in your eyes. You didn't just teach us subjects. You taught us to stand up after falling, to show courage, and to work with kindness and honesty. You have been our mentors, our guides, and our strongest supporters, turning classrooms into second homes and dreams into realities. Every moment, you chose kindness over frustration. And every time you smile through your talents. We see you, we appreciate you, and we would like to thank you for being the reasons we believe in ourselves, for turning our fears into confidence and our doubts into dreams. Years may pass, and we may move into different worlds, but your lessons will forever echo in every success we achieve, every step of kindness we choose, and every courage we show. Because the truth is, we may outgrow classrooms, but the light you lit in us will never fade. So today and every day, we celebrate you. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Full on Desi beat, even maths formula would start moving their feet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this chance as we mix fun, respect through Garba and Haryanvi.
खुशियाँ संगे लावी हाय 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 रंगी बरौर लावी खुशियाँ संगे लावी हाय 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 आशानी के नाम इकराया मैंने चलता भी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
Teachers keep smiling with delight. The choir group will come on the stage to sing straight from the heart for our teachers. But you know what? Teachers fear something far worse than our handwriting. Our lame excuses.
So true. In fact, I have an entire list of the excuses students give to their teachers on a daily basis. You want to see? First one on the list. Ma'am, my head is hurting. Ma'am, my stomach is hurting. Ma'am, everything hurts.
Here's another excuse. This email is to inform you that I didn't do my homework and can't join the class because I have no Wi-Fi. Then, dear student, please explain how you send the email in the first place.
Honestly, if it were possible, I would propose a toast to the astounding jobs you do every day. But since we cannot do that, the least we can do is to amaze you with our incredible dances.
Soft, graceful, lyrical. जैसे हवा का झोंका और कृष्णा की बांसुरी की धुन. Presenting the mesmerizing Manipuri dance. dancers will come on the stage to do the Nacho Nacho hook step properly. Yes, have you welcome the students of class 9th and 11th who will groove to some classic Bollywood songs.
जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजे चमके ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो, हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो वेद नाचो, अस्त्रपल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो, टूटी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो, हाथ छोड़े हाथ गोरे हाथ छोड़े नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा दूल्हा नाचो 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 बिच्छू कांटा लागे ऐसा नाचो। जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो, रेडियों के जोरों पे तुम बड़ा देसी नाचो, पसीना मारेगा चमके चमके ऐसे नाचो, हाथ छोड़े हाथ गोरे हाथ छोड़े नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 झूमे गाओ है रेला ऊंचा पाँव यूं पटका है ये देसी मेला, कैसा रहा यकायकी नाचो 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 नाचो, अरे धूम धूम थिरके जा पाँव में जान जगा, ठुमक ठुमक नाचे जा दुनिया हिला दे सारी, नाचो नाचो नाचो।
Management, all the teachers of SCS and staff, I would like to express my gratitude. First of all, let me begin by saying a huge thank you, students. As teachers, we are used to being the ones standing in front of the class, but today you took the stage and captivated everyone. It's not easy to balance academics with preparations for such events. We know how much work goes on behind the scenes. The rehearsals, the coordination, the last minute changes. And we want you to know we saw it, we felt it, and we deeply appreciate it. Every performance today has touched our hearts in the most beautiful way. You have shown your talent, students, your confidence and teamwork, and above all, the respect and affection for us. We teachers are thank you for this thing. Thank you for making this day so special. Thank you for reminding us why we chose this path. Give yourselves a round of applause for your wonderful performances. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
ध्यान से सुनिएगा, होमवर्क थोड़ा सा कम देना और अपनी स्माइल ज्यादा दिखाइएगा, क्योंकि पढ़ाई तो हमेशा होती रहेगी, पर आप जैसी टीचर्स की यादें दिल में forever बस जाएंगी. Dear teachers, for many years you have been the one doing things for us, be it teaching us or guiding us. Well, honorables, today we have finally managed to do something for you, such as celebrating and adoring you.
And with that, our Teachers' Day celebration comes to an end. We may forget formulas, dates or definitions, but we'll never forget the teachers who tried really hard to make us learn them.
With love, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Bye bye and see you all at our next anchoring day.
Now everyone is requested to stand up.